This zipper has been plated by the shining gold, and then go to the naturalization tank, and then go to 3 times washing, and then go to peeling tank for active work again, and 3 times washing already. Now we are going to make the shining gun. Okay, now let's see the result after 30 seconds, 30 seconds. When you do the anti-silver, normally we just do 15 seconds or 20 seconds. But when you do the shining gun, it's better you set up the time from 20 to 30 seconds. Or if you want to make it multi-color, 35, 40, also okay. It should depend on your requirement. So now, after 30 seconds, we take it out. And do 3 times washing. Okay, after 3 times washing, we put it into the. Okay, the color is good for the shining gun. We put it into the color fixing chemical. If you don't want to put it into the color fixing chemical, you connect the zipper to the lacquer as soon as possible. Okay. Yes. And then after color fixing, then washing 3 times again. And then we will see the result.晒干我来看一下颜色。Okay, now the result is come out. The color is very, very beautiful. The black, shining black nickel. And let's see, the color will change out or not. See, not change out. I use my hand to push it very strong. Okay, but no, look at nothing. So the color sticker result is very good. And now let's send it to the lacquer machine. Okay.